मैंने चांद से पूछा तू है कितना हंसी, कोई तुझसा नहीं, तेरे नूरे किरणों से जोरे बार है अर्श ज़मी, कोई तुझसा नहीं। कअन्न मंतिक़हु खरज़ात नज़्म यतहद्दरना, his logic, his utterances, his words were like jewels coming out of a necklace, calculated, polished, one after the other. It would flow magically. ربعتهم, he was medium in height. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वो दानाए सुब्ह ख़त्मुर रसुल मौलाए कुल, जिसने गुबार राह को बख्शा फ़ुरूग़ वादी सीना। Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Muhammad Zakaria, student of Rabindranath Tagore Vishwavidyalaya, Department of English, and it gives me an immense pleasure to stand before you today to speak about one of the greatest personalities in human history, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear audience, describe him to me. And Muslims, look at the description of your Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And for some, this would be the first time you hear what your Prophet looked like. I saw a man of striking appearance, ظاهر الوضاء, أبلج الوجه, radiant face, حسن الخلق, beautifully created, لم تعب سجلا, his belly wasn't protruding, ولم تزر به صعلا, nor was his head disproportionate and small, وسيم قصيم, proportionate and delicate, finely made, a specimen of a creation. في عينيه داج, in his eyes there was a contrast, the dark was immensely dark, the white was excessively white. وفي أشفاره وطف, and his eyelashes were long. وفي صوته صحل, in his voice was a natural echo. وفي لحيته كثاثة, his beard was full and thick. أزج أقرن, his eyebrows were arched, but they were not joined, it was separated. In Samat فعليه الوقار, when he was silent, dignity covered him. وإن تكلم سماه علاه البهار, and when he spoke, it was audible and clear, almost commanding and overtaking. Ajmalun nas wa abhahum min ba'id, from afar, the most striking and outstanding in appearance. Wa ahsanuhum wa ajmalahum min qareeb, and when he came near, the best of them and the most handsome of them in closeness. Hulwul mantiq, so such an exalted and sweet level of logic. Like when he used to speak, it was so coherently logical and easy to understand. It was smooth and easy to understand. Faslun la nazrun wa la hazr. He was to the point, not excessive nor too short. كأن منطقه خرزات نظم يتحدرنا. His logic, his utterances, his words were like jewels coming out of a necklace, calculated, polished, one after the other. It would flow magically. ربعتهم, he was medium in height. Your eye didn't have to strain to look up at him, nor was it tedious to look down at him. He was a comfortable sight to look at. له رفقاء حفون به. He had friends, the people that were with him, they were trying to serve and protect him. In قال سمعوا لقولي, when he used to say something, they used to hearken to what he used to say. وإن أمر تبادروا إلى أمري, when he commanded, they used to compete to fulfill the command. Here I wrap up my speech with these few lines. मैंने चांद से पूछा तू है कितना हंसी, कोई तुझसा नहीं, तेरे नूरे किरणों से जोरे बार है अर्श ज़मी, कोई तुझसा नहीं. Here I wrap up my speech with a message that it's been a tremendous pleasure to stand here at the dais and address such an elite gathering. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.